In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to the premium plan for your website seamlessly and make quick adjustments to enhance its look and functionality. Whether you're a business owner seeking to optimize your online presence or just someone keen to explore all the features that a premium plan offers, you're in the right place. First, upgrading your plan is essential to unlocking a range of additional features that will propel your website's functionality and overall appeal. To begin, navigate to your website's dashboard where you'll find the option to upgrade your plan. Here, take a moment to review the different premium plans available. Each plan has unique benefits, whether it's more storage, the removal of ads, or enhanced customer support. Select the plan that best suits your needs and budget. This step is crucial because it impacts how effectively you can manage your online platform. Once you've made your decision and completed the upgrade, it's time to dive into the heart of customizing and refining your website, the editor. The editor is your powerhouse for designing and modifying your web pages. Upon entering the editor, you'll notice a wide array of tools and options at your disposal. These range from layout adjustments to theme variations. Remember, the more you explore these options, the more personalized and unique your website can become. Now focus your attention on the prominent Wix banner that appears on your website. By default, this banner is present in free plans, but with your newly acquired premium plan, you have the option to remove it. This is a crucial step because a personalized ad-free website establishes professionalism and trustworthiness, which are key to engaging visitors. To remove the Wix banner, simply locate it within the editor interface. Once you've found it, you'll see an option or toggle that permits you to disable or remove the banner. It's a straightforward action but brings about a big change in your site's presentation. This change not only enhances the visual appeal but also optimizes the user experience by eliminating distractions. While you are in the editor, consider taking the time to further customize your site. Adjust images and text, play with color schemes, or rearrange sections for improved navigation. Consistency and attention to detail can significantly enhance the user's experience, encouraging them to linger longer, explore more, and ideally, choose your services or products. Each decision, whether